In a land far away, nestled between the ancient mountains and the vast ocean, there lived a tiny silverfish named Spark. This was no ordinary silverfish, for Spark had a unique gift, the ability to ignite a fire with a mere flick of his tail. One fateful day, a great storm swept through the land, extinguishing all the fires in the forest. The other animals huddled together for warmth, but Spark knew he had a responsibility. He couldn't bear to see his friends shivering in the cold. With a heavy heart, Spark ventured out into the storm, his tail alight with the promise of warmth. He struggled against the wind, his scales glistening like stardust against the dark sky. As he reached the heart of the forest, he saw a group of animals hiding in a hollow tree, cold and miserable. With a determined flick, Spark ignited a fire, and the warmth spread, chasing away the chill. But just as the fire began to burn brightly, a gust of wind blew out the flame. Spark's heart sank, but he knew he couldn't give up. He had to find a way to keep the fire burning, even in the storm. Remembering an old tales of the ancient fire spirits, Spark remembered that fire needed protection to survive. He quickly gathered the warmest and driest leaves he could find and created a small shelter around the embers. With the fire now protected, Spark managed to rekindle the flame. The warmth spread, and the animals huddled close, their eyes filled with gratitude. Spark had saved the day. That night, as the storm raged outside, Spark sat by the fire, his tail flickering like a beacon of hope. He had learned a valuable lesson that day, that sometimes, survival isn't just about having a special gift, but about using it wisely, and protecting what matters most. And so, Spark became a symbol of hope and resilience in his forest, a shining example of what could be achieved when one was willing to face adversity head-on, and to never give up, even in the darkest of times. Moral asterisk: in the face of adversity, use your gifts wisely, protect what matters most, and never give up, for it is in our darkest times that we find our true strength.